Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support, the lovely comments, the likes. It really makes me feel good. Thank you so much. And of course, Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So the Cancer, the cards I have on my table right now is the Eight of Cups, King of Wands, Six of Swords, Seven of Cups, the Hanged Man, the Seven of Swords, Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, and the Justice card. All right, Cancer, bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles is really showing up today, showed up as my overall energy for Aquarius as well. So, okay, so somebody here knows their worth, or maybe somebody else knows this Queen of Pentacles worth now. They want to now get unstuck. They've made their choice. Maybe somebody walked away from this connection. There was a bit of conflict, but I do see somebody now recognizing what's been done. The clarity is there. They want to now offer a brand new beginning and they want to bring justice back to this relationship. So before I say anything more, Cancer, let's start with our dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll do the clarification process. Okay? So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Cancer and their person. And Cancer, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. I'm going to stop here and take some from another deck. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Thank you. And a few from here as well. Cancer and their person spirit. All right, good to go, Cancer. Let's start our reading. First card here says, Cancer, nothing is more terrifying and simultaneously delightful than having to bear witness to how our two distinctive souls are joined energetically for eternity. I understand if you're feeling scared because it scares the F out of me too. I hate that your rejection can still trigger a tendency for me to spiral out of control with unhealthy and addictive behaviors. I can't believe how much time we wasted on bullshit. When I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and soul because that's where you are. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you are my world and I want everyone to know. I love the sound of your voice. I hear you speak with me telepathically and in dreams. I long to talk with you again. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. I will wait for you as long as I have to. And the last card here, Cancer, says, do you think about me? All right, Cancer, these are resonating with your storyline. Let's start your reading. Of course, we're going to start with an angel blessing card, as always, and get a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Wise decision. Yeah, somebody wants to make a wise decision now, Cancer. They want to bring justice back into this relationship, I feel. Okay, so time for wise decisions. Let's see what's going on. Eight of Cups. Spirit, who walked away here? Eight of Cups. Somebody walked away. Eight of Cups. So many aces in your spread already. I mean, I have the Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Time for new beginnings, that's for sure. But after I think somebody walked away, the other person has suddenly had the clarity. They have realized I still have so much passion. I do want to put in work in this connection. And this could be this King of Wands. King of Wands. Yes, they want to communicate big time now after somebody's walked away. Oh my God. After somebody's walked away from this connection, this King of Wands is now become obsessed. They want to now communicate and put in the work. They've realized they have passion. They are now absolutely clear about what they want. They want what they want. This King of Wands is all fired up. They are obsessed. Maybe they were in some unhealthy addictions earlier, I don't know. But right now their obsession and addiction only seems to be this Queen of Pentacles here. But things are in troubled waters from what I feel. King of Wands, you want to say something to us? I always like to ask the upright, court cards if they have a message. King of Wands, Spirit, you want to say something to us? King of Wands, is there something you'd like to say to us here? I have so much passion. I have so much passion, yet I want to run, jump, and just chase after the person that I really want. Anything else apart from passion? King of Wands, anything that you want to say to us? Yeah, they're looking at their future now. I think they're looking at their future and they're feeling quite stuck. They feel things have really stagnated. Maybe earlier they were in their a bit of immature energy where they could have been maybe a little bit of a player or, trying to see if the grass was greener on the other side. But all that behavior of theirs led to stagnation with the person who they really now realize is their person. Things are in conflict at the moment. Six of Swords in reverse. They went a different direction, wrong direction, I think. Yes, and that now they're trying to manifest. They're trying to manifest, steering this boat into the right direction now. They've made their decision. They no longer want there any options or there's no longer confusion. They are quite sure of who they want and they're trying to manifest that back into their life. Yes, this person is wanting to rush in. They don't want to waste any more time on bullshit. This person is wanting to rush in passionately with some communication or something. I don't know what. Seven of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Seven of Cups in reverse. Seven of Cups. This conflict would also have happened because maybe they, in their little bit of ego, could have said something which was little, not so nice, maybe some harsh words or a fight or something. In their pride and ego, they could have been a little disrespectful to this Queen of Pentacles. So now maybe they are fearing coming forward themselves, but trying to manifest, this Queen of Pentacles back. Maybe they left this Queen of Pentacles out in the cold, or maybe now because of their own bad behavior, they are feeling this way. They're feeling lost without this Queen of Pentacles. They want to get unstuck. Now I think this person has been in Hanged Man's place for a very long time, trying to understand why, what happened. Maybe somebody cheated, somebody lied, or maybe this King of Pentacles was holding back for some time, but now they are wanting to take back what was theirs. They want to come forward as the Emperor. They are holding on tight to that dream of their person. So then what's the Seven of Swords, Spirit? Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords. If somebody left or somebody sneaked away from this connection, this was a big tower moment. Whatever happened here was devastating to the relationship. Maybe somebody cheated, lied, there was a tower moment, there could have been a fight. Whatever happened here, Cancer, this connection could have come to some kind of an ending. But somebody now has the clarity. They do want to come forward and say, hey, forget about the past, can we talk it out and let's start again. Ace of Swords, Spirit. Ace of Swords. What's this Ace of Swords? What is this realization? Ace of Swords. Give me a thumbs up right now, Cancer. This person is very, very clear that they want to be in a committed relationship now. There is no more confusion. They've cut through all the bullshit. At least that's what they want to say. I'm very, very clear. I'm not confused anymore. There are no other options. Whatever happened, let it be in the past and let's start again. They want to come and offer this brand new beginning, a stable brand new beginning. Most probably marriage proposal or engagement or commitment. So Ace of Pentacles. Yes, they're ready to fight for the Queen of Pentacles, it seems. They're ready to fight for this connection. They know what they want and, oh my God. The cup of love overflows here. This person, aces, like I said, ace. I don't know how many aces, I've lost count now. This person is clear that they want to offer, the clarity is there, they want to offer a brand new beginning and it's full of love. And if they have to fight for it, they're willing to fight for it. They want to bring back justice, they want to bring back balance into this connection. What's this Justice card, Spirit? Justice card. Clarification for the Justice card, Spirit. Clarification for this Justice card. Yes, this person is now wanting to fight for this connection. They're not happy that in the past maybe they never invested. They are very unhappy by the way things kind of didn't grow in this connection. But this person definitely wants to, like, I'm standing here now and I am ready to do whatever it takes to bring this connection back into balance. So Queen of Pentacles, we never gave you a chance to say something. What about you? Want to say something to us? Queen of Pentacles, what do you want to say? Queen of Pentacles. One more. Oh, really? Queen of Pentacles says, I have been in hermit mode for so long. I've been waiting. Yes, I've been waiting for this person to come back for a very long time. But right now, to be honest, I've kind of in two minds. I'm going back and forth in my mind. Is it really worth it? Or should I just move on to new love now? So this Queen of Pentacles has, I think, found their worth now. They realize that, if the past person comes back, great. If not, because they've spent so much time connecting with their spirituality and realizing that by being alone, what they are, their value, what they bring to the table. And they're kind of now in that spot that I'll kind of see how it goes. And if they come correct, then maybe. But if not, I'm sure there's a new love for me out there. I'm worth love, one way or the other. So yes, some wise decisions will have to be made quickly now, Cancer, in this connection. Somebody from your past definitely wants to come back and offer this to you. It's totally up to you if you want to end this fight or not and take them back or maybe move on to new love. So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.